New pen just arrived today. I wanted something to use in my new planner. So Wordsworth Black Literary Artistry Primori Collection. Oh, it's very pretty. I wanted black and gold. The body is absolutely beautiful on this. Don't know if you can see it. Here's up close. It came with cartridges, but I'm going to put a converter in it. This is my Hemlock and Oak. It is the 2026-27 academic. It's a soft cover. Oh, I love that it's got so many blank pages at the end. That's my favorite part. It is a weekly. And I have not put anything in yet. So today is the day that I'm going to use it. So I've got to ink this up. I haven't decided what I'm going to ink it up with, but it is a beautiful pen that goes really well with my academic planner from Hemlock and Oak. It's gorgeous.